I mentioned before that we sometimes do tiled shelves, and that I would do a video on how we put our tiled shelves together. We've got all of our parts. We're going to put the two pieces of tile back to back with each other. So we have metal cut on a 45. We got the tile buttered and ready to go. You can see on the ground there's the other half of the tile. And so we're going to do two pieces of metal back to back, and then the tile. And then we're going to put it in tomorrow as we grout. So this is going to have overnight to sit and firm up for us. And then we're going to use these stainless washers, 2 on each side, so 4 total. It's going to slip right inside of our grout joint. And so when we grout tomorrow, the washers will sit in there, kind of act like a biscuit joint to a degree. And once it's all grouted, the shelves aren't going to be able to come out. And it just makes it really nice and easy. We don't have to notch our tile around it, and we just install these shelves on a grout joint. And so anyway, just thought we'd kind of do a quick video here showing us assembling this. We've got 3 shelves we're going to put in tomorrow. We've already put the other 2 shelves together. So when we do another video, we'll show the actual installation of the tile shelf. Let some of that mortar squish out. We'll run our finger along the edge to clean it up. And then we'll stick the washers in, and we'll make sure that we put the washers tight to the same tile all the way around. That way you can see that there's a little bit of a buildup on the shelf itself. And so we want to make sure that we're using the same tile so that the shelf ends up sitting nice and flush and straight when we put the shelf in the joint tomorrow. And then we just let them stick out, somewhere between 3/8, 1/4 inch. That'll get plenty of grip on the tile, so they'll sit in the joint nice. And there we go. So that's it. So our shelf is complete. You can see we've got it ready. You can see on the wall we've already spread our grout. So we're going to go on and put it on the wall. And then again, those washers will just push right into the grout joint. And since it's already been full, the grout has been, and when it pushes in, it just kind of to help lock itself right into the wall. And then we'll take and spread grout top and bottom of it and seal it in good, let it tack off, and then we'll clean the grout like we are the rest of the walls. So it just fits right on the grout joint, and it makes it pretty easy. I wouldn't use it as a foot prop or anything, but it works good for holding shampoos and soaps and things like that. And then on this side here, you can see I've got 2 more shelves in done the same way. These are just a little bit larger. So we are done with our curbless shower. Still have to buff the floor yet, so we'll get that done here in just a minute. I'll come up here a little closer. You can see the shelves, glass accent. Everything stays nice and straight. A little shelf there. Handheld and shower head. All in all, everything turned out real sweet. Just wish it wasn't so cloudy outside, so it would be a little bit better video inside. The guest lights will be on the order of things for me to purchase.